God damn it. Well, I do not really like waking up in the morning because it means that I have to get up and face the day and all of its trials and tribulations. Then I get out of bed, I walk into the bathroom, and I jump into the shower. I wash myself diligently. And then I get out of the shower, I try to shave, but sometimes it doesn't work. I pop some pills to get me ready for the day. Then I brush my teeth with vigor. Then I leave the bathroom and I might get dressed or I might not, depending on whether or not I'm going to be leaving the house, and if I do leave the house, where I'm going to go. And after I'm done with that, I generally walk into my living room and turn on the TV and watch some Sports Center to get all my juices flowing, testosterone and all those androgens. And then I try to eat breakfast, if you could call it that. I generally eat a plum, drink a glass of orange juice, or morning juice as I like to call it. And then I go out the door and get ready to face whatever may happen, with or without pants.